My name is Joseph here with PMC. I'm a junior broker and real estate analyst. And so what I do is I work with investors all the way through from just that initial phone call or email, addressing, what your goals are and what's bringing you to invest with real estate, whether it's, want to move cash away from into a more tax-friendly investment or creating passive income, looking towards retirement or just creating further wealth for yourself. And so one of the things that I do is after that initial phone call and understanding what your goals and your targets are, working with our referral partners that we know that send us deals our way of does this make sense for you as an investor in your goals, and then taking those investments, running those through our investment calculator, seeing if they make sense, and then lastly presenting that to you just in a consolidated format. And so the thing that's really powerful about our investment calculator is just that it's comprehensive yet accessible. So it takes just about into account everything that you could think of, from expenses, from sales costs of having a broker, having HOA fees, property taxes, management fees, or whatever it might be, renovation costs, all that gets factored into our investment calculator. And so you're really being able to get the best possible snapshot of that investment, because at the end of the day, it's your money, and we want to make sure that we provide you a valuable service and that I provide you a valuable service through the investments that I present to you, and making sure that it's presented in an accessible way for you. So I'm going to get out my laptop and then I'll go through our investment calculator on just a potential deal. These numbers are entirely fictitious, but they do represent the Nashville average capitalization rate for a single family home. And so the capitalization rate is essentially your net income divided by the purchase price of the home. Just going to run through these numbers here with you guys. Essentially, if you have a home that's $215,000, that's your purchase price right there. No HOA fees, which is always good. Less expenses makes owners happy. Average is about going to be $1,200 in taxes, $100 a month for that, around $125 for management fees, and then we normally budget about $150 for maintenance, vacancy, and loss. And then lastly, insurance. We average around $40 is what we normally quote people for our investment calculator. And so monthly rent of about $1,500, that puts us right at 6% for our capitalization rate, which is a little bit on the high side for what we're seeing here in Nashville, but still a really great investment and a really great part of the country. One of the biggest things that I've enjoyed being at PMC thus far is really just being able to help investors navigate the complexity of real estate. It's intimidating. Lots of people all the time say, "Oh, you're in real estate. That's awesome. I don't know where to start." And so that's really where us at PMC and myself come in, is that we work with you step by step all the way through from understanding what it is that you're looking for, how we can help you find those goals and achieve them. For me, it's really, I enjoy both sides of working with the people, helping them accomplish their goals, but then also doing the kind of nitty-gritty analysis work that goes from looking at properties, finding properties, and then doing the spreadsheet work that not everybody likes. I really enjoy it, but then being able to take that finished product is really what I enjoy being able to provide our investors with here at PMC.